Welcome to this video about the incredible Go Berkey Kit. In a moment, I'm going to tell you how to get an exclusive discount code to use on your Go Berkey Kit purchase or any other Berkey systems or replacement filters or accessories. The Go Berkey Kit is a compact, portable, gravity-fed water filter made of stainless steel, designed for on-the-go use, such as camping, emergencies, or travel. It purifies about a quart of water at a time, removing viruses, bacteria, chemicals, and parasites, among other contaminants. And it includes the main unit, which looks a bit like this one that I have here. This is the Big Berkey. The main unit looks a bit like this. It's like a miniature version of this, except it doesn't have the spigot here. You can see what it looks like here. It also includes one Black Berkey filter, like this one, a primer, and a Sport Berkey bottle, like this one here. The Sport Berkey bottle works by having a filter inside it attached to the straw, which when you suck water out using the straw here, will filter out contaminants from your water as you drink it. I've heard some complain that scooping up unfiltered water with the top of the Go Berkey unit could lead to contamination. But to me, this is a non-issue because you can just use another container like the Sport Berkey that it comes with to scoop it in with. This works because any contamination left in the Sport Berkey will get filtered out as you drink it. We love that both the Go Berkey and the Sport Berkey use the same filtration technology that the bigger Berkey systems like this one here do. We love that the Sport Berkey uses a BPA-free, non-leaching plastic bottle. We also love that Berkey is made right here in the USA. So to get your exclusive discount code, simply like this video and then head over to mywaterdiscount.com. That's mywaterdiscount.com, or click the link in the description or pinned comment below this video. Oh, and if you find something that you like via one of my links, then I may earn a small commission at no cost to you. If you do that, then I appreciate it. That's all for now. God bless.